Easy Artist here. In this video will show you how to terminate an RJ45 connector pass through using a Cat6 cable. To start, you need a Cat6A cable stripper, crimper, snips, RJ connectors and testers. To start, you will pick up your cable stripper and cut about 2 inches of that cable jacket. And after you cutting that, you're going to remove it and make sure, like, while you are doing that, you didn't nick the cable or create any problem. Then you're gonna cut that string. At this point, you're going to open those conductors, and so you can expose the center spline that separate the pairs, and you can cut them as close as possible, and make sure you do not cut or nick any cable. And after that, you start putting your cables in order. Remember, it goes with blue, light orange, light green, blue, light blue, green, light brown, brown. So you straighten each cable. You're gonna put them as straight as possible. You have to, once you have it, you're gonna put it in your left hands. Make sure it stays straight. And then now we're gonna get our light green. And remember, after green, so you're gonna have to put our solid blue. So you continue putting everything in order. And just remember, the model that you're using for this video is T568B. That's one of the most common that they use in today's, but also you could do a I'm planning on making another video that talk about the T568A, which is the other model, but yeah, you could do either one of them. So as you see, I'm still putting this cable in order as much, and then I'll hold them firmly, make sure they don't move, because once they move, you're going to lose the order. So as you could see, like I put them, like I hold them in the wood, I'll make sure they don't move. And after that, you're going to use your shears and cut the conductors before you insert it in the RJ45 connector. And as you could see, like I pushed them behind I cannot push them behind, because if you just push them in the front, you're not really going to get like what you need. And after that, you make sure you enter it. And one of my problem with this jack, sometimes when you push it, it doesn't go through, so sometimes you have to like squeeze the cable a little bit together, and then you could just push it in, and that should be able to cut and nicely with no problem, as you could see. Yeah, so it's a good one. There was one conductor left, but that's not a problem, it's already cut. And after that, we're going for our next one. We're going to repeat the same step that we just did. As you can see here, we trim about like 2 inches, and we make sure, like we cut it the way we're supposed to. And one of the things that we ask you is to just give us a like, share our video, and please subscribe. Like we will really appreciate that you guys do that, because that helps a lot. We still continue like repeating all the steps that we did. Remember how we hold them in our left hands and make sure we pull them straight. And if you remember, our color code goes to light orange, light green, blue, light blue, green, light brown, brown. And one of the tips that I can give you is like when you hold the RJ45 connector, it's like you push it upside down. That's how it looks like when you do it. And once you push it, you should be able to do that with no problems. Yeah, so easy to do, but it's, if you follow our step, you should be able to do it with no problem. And we'll continue that. Remember, you cut them before you insert them in the RJ45 connector. And as you could see, that one is kind of difficult. I'm gonna cut it again. Sometimes you have to cut it several times, and you kind of push it to the back, and boom, it's in. And make sure you insert some of that jacket inside. As you could see, that's a perfect RJ45. And then you're going to insert it in the crimper, and after that you remove that excess wire that didn't cut properly. And yeah, that's a really good one. And we have to remember to always test, like I like to do that. After I'm finished, I'll make sure I take my tester and make sure it's a good batch code. Just let's check. You should see it in numbers, and then the tester should say pass. Alright, let's see what we have. Yeah, so you see all the numbers of 1 to 8 are in order, and then on top it says pass. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos. Thank you.